What is up guys, it is Cage here, and today I'm gonna do a crypto coin analysis on the coin MUBARAK. This is a newly listed meme coin. It has been listed on Binance and Bybit, and there's a lot of hype involved. So I'm gonna go over the technicals and see if there's any potential upside or downside. So let's go over the technicals and get to an objective conclusion about this meme coin. Let's start by drawing in our structure. We have a low, we have a high, a lower low, and that is when we switch trends towards a higher high. So I also want to mark this 15-minute pullback because we were absolutely in a downtrend right here, and the bears came in and pushed the price down once again, but that's when the bulls stepped into the market and started breaking towards the upside, which caused a huge move. So this is your extreme demand in your whole range right now. Because yes, this is a range. We are moving between this high and this low. Keep following the 1 hour structure. This is the last structure that caused us to break towards new highs. So you would say you would have to hold this level for in order to get that price action back towards this all-time high. And yes, that is correct, but we have not done that. We've broke below it. So this would mean that our expectation order flow is this lower low for a lower high and another lower low, because we're just following the order flow, right? Which is this. But of course, when a coin is newly listed, everything can happen here. So we want to keep following our structure and we want to seek our liquidity, because if this project is truly interesting, the market wants to seek for the liquidity for an order to fuel up their next move or down move. When we start drawing in our structure from here, we have this high and this lower low. So this would also mean everything that is happening between these 2 points, the price would still be bearish. So don't get too much focused on this local picture, because we'll get to that now and I'll explain my scenarios on why I at least would wait on this coin. We are rejecting right now, and this could be our lower high towards our new lower low, which is just following our expectational order flow. So why would it be interested in looking for longs? Well, we have this absolutely beautiful retail pennant. Yes, I do call this a retail pennant because this is just what retail people use. They see something like this, they just started buying here and placing their stop losses below all these lows. But remember, the market wants to seek for liquidity. And if everyone has put their stop losses below these lows, then what makes it interesting to do, that is take all of those people out, tap into our first pullback when the bullish people started going into the market and starting breaking structure towards the top. And from there, you could expect price action more towards the upside. When the masses have been stopped out, that's when it is interesting. So scenario 1 for MUBARAK would be this. This would be a really great scenario to look for possible longs. When we start drawing our local structure like this was our last pullback before we made new highs. Of course, our high time frame expectation order flow is this lower high for this lower low, but if we never manage to break our local structure towards it, then we will just keep on pumping. So if this doesn't happen, then we will just keep going up. So I put a line here, these are to hold, and if we can keep on holding this line, it is up. Of course, in order for this upside to happen, we would have to follow this internal market structure, which is making lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows right now. So if we come with our lower lows and lower highs towards this level, then it's fine. But again, if we can never break that internal structure, then we will just keep on going down. Because this was a retail pennant, and I think the real play is right here. You do have to keep in mind, if the market makers decide to push price up from this level, then I will accept it as well. But what I would have to see is manipulation right here. I need to see manipulation right here, that the price does not need to go towards these low to fuel our next move. So what I would have to see is a range. I want to see us consolidate, building up liquidity on the bottom, take out that liquidity, and then get a sharp move up. But for now, on this local trend, I want to look for shorts here, wait patiently for the accumulation right here. For the really good play, once again, that low. Guys, this was MUBARAK for me. I played in all the scenarios for me objectively to look for some possible trades, for some longs, for some shorts. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely like the video and let me know in the comments what kind of crypto coins you do want to see next, because I'll pick it up, no problem. Cage is out. I'll see you in the next one.